A wonderful good day and a warm welcome to a brand new short video. Today, we're focusing on the Opel Astra H, as you can clearly see in the title, and will guide you through the entire process of resetting the service indicator step by step. It's very simple, period. If you know how. And this is an Opel Astra from the model year 2005. From what I've understood, there are two different versions, namely a pre-2006 model and a post-2006 model. In any case, here in this video, we've got a vehicle. It's a 2005 model, and I'll show you exactly how to reset the whole system now. Let's get started. So how do we reset the whole thing? The important thing is that all the doors are closed. Once the doors are all closed, you'll need to press down on the reset button here and hold it for a brief moment. So release, press, and hold it down. Then the inspection comes. Then we need to press the brake. Then start the ignition. And then the whole thing has already started. Let go of it. And that's it. So, very important, period. Once again for repetition. Press this button once. Let go. Press, pressed, hold. Then the inspection display will appear. So then we press the brake once. So now I have this metal rod here because I can't reach it with the licker. Press the brake like this. And then once. Turn on the ignition, and then the whole thing flashes once. That's how quick it is when you know how. It's a bit tricky, especially for me, because I also had the camera in between, but it's definitely doable. And if this helped you out, don't forget to leave a thumbs up for the video and share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this, leave a thumbs up, drop a subscription, and best of all, write in the comments below which car models we should reset the service for next. I think we've already recorded quite a lot of service videos by now. So feel free to comment below or let us know if you'd rather see some other types of videos instead of these. No one's really interested in this service announcement, so drop a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you guys next time. Bye.